All right, so I could not wait to jump on here and share this bit of information with you because I thought it was so interesting. This research study that was done actually in 2021 talking about this thing called vasovagal syncope. Vasovagal syncope. And what is that exactly, and why do we care about it? It's a sudden drop in heart rate and blood pressure that leads to fainting, often in reaction to a stressful trigger. Common triggers include strain, stress, long periods of standing, heat exposure, or the sight of blood. Symptoms include paleness, nausea, sweating, a rapid heartbeat, and fainting. And so treatment usually involves trigger avoidance, but may on rare occasions include medication or a pacemaker, right? So this research study looking at this vasovagal syncope concluded that yoga actually is a great therapy for something like this because it reduces symptomatic burden and improves quality of life. So what did they do in the study? The patients with recurrent vasovagal syncope, which are the fainting episodes, they were recruited and randomized into two groups. The intervention group received a specialized 12-week yoga program in addition to standard therapy for syncope. The yoga program included postures, breathing exercises, and meditation tailored for syncope patients. The control group received only the standard guideline-based therapy for syncope, which includes medication, increased fluids, and salt, and physical counterpressure maneuvers. The primary outcome was the number of syncope and pre-syncope, which is near fainting episodes at 12 months follow-up. The secondary outcome measured were quality of life scores, results of head-up tilt testing, and heart rate variability at 6 weeks. All patients were followed for 12 months and outcomes were compared between the two groups. The study aimed to determine if adding yoga to standard therapy reduced syncope episodes and improved quality of life better than standard therapy alone in recurrent syncope patients. This is interesting to me because this whole experience of syncope, I'm like, I feel like I've had something like this many times before doing HIIT exercises. And the way it's explained, sudden drop in heart rate and blood pressure leading to fainting, often by a stressful trigger. Strain, stress, long periods of standing, heat exposure, right? All of this stuff is basically happening to me when I do a HIIT exercise, which is supposed to be really good for your brain. But if your body is responding in a negative way, hold up. We really need to assess this. So basically from this study, this randomized controlled trial that they did, evaluating a specialized yoga program as an adjunct treatment to standard therapy in patients with recurrent fainting episodes due to vasovagal syncope, they concluded that yoga is superior to the standard therapy alone in reducing the symptomatic burden and improving quality of life, which means that you may want to avoid the trigger, but also yoga can help. So adding that to your routine, which I really wanted to share with you for folks who may be going through something like this. And I will also cite the study in the description to this video. In the event that you're having the conversation with your doctor, you can always refer back to this. I think it's a really great point to adding yoga in your routine. And maybe if, at least the takeaway for me, what I get from my own personal life is that yoga is great to have in the rotation, which I was doing anyway. But to know that this is actually a thing out there and yoga is helping with it, I think is really helpful. So I would love to know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this. If you've ever had this issue with syncope, fainting spells from stress or strain or long-standing, and if you've tried yoga and been consistent with it and how it's helped you, I'd love to hear in the comments below.